Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. My name's Ian Tyson, passionate home cook, and today with our BRENN-B Farms yellow potatoes, we're making smashed potatoes. For today's recipe, here's what you'll need. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Add your whole potatoes to a pot of cold water, well salted, and bring to a boil. Chop fresh thyme and garlic for topping. When potatoes are fork tender, strain them. Add your potatoes to a cookie sheet and smash with a fork or wooden spoon. Top with olive oil, garlic, fresh thyme, salt, and pepper. Cook at 400 degrees for 15 minutes or until crispy. Top with sour cream and fresh thyme. These are a perfect, crispy complement to any main dish. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Be sure to check out more of our recipes online. Until next time, keep cooking.